Are you planning a trip to Mexico and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Mexico in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you are wondering. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Mexico is Airalo. It's hands down one of the most affordable and flexible options. For light users, you've got 1 GB for $4.50 valid for 7 days, 2 GB for $8 with a 15-day validity, or 3 GB for $11 for 30 days. If you're staying longer or need more data, you've got 5 GB for $16, 10 GB for $20, 20 GB for $28, and 30 GB for $42, all valid for 30 days. These plans are super easy to use. The Airalo app lets you pick a plan, pay, and receive your QR code instantly. You just scan it and boom, you're connected. If you ever need more data during your trip, topping up is simple through the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive 10% discount. Now, if you're not feeling Airalo, or maybe you want faster activation without an app, then check out Maya Mobile. Maya's plans activate instantly and everything runs on 5G. Pricing is a little higher, but the experience is seamless. For Mexico, you've got 3 GB for $12.59, 5 GB for $17.09, and 10 GB for $29.69, all valid for 10 days. Heavier users can get 20 GB for $51.29 or unlimited data for $44.99, which is honestly a pretty rare option for short trips. The website is clean and easy to navigate. You just pick your plan, check out, and they send you a QR code to activate the eSIM. No app needed. Now, let me explain how to get started and claim your discount. For both providers, it's super easy. Just click the link in the description. For Maya, search Mexico, pick your plan, and you'll see the 10% discount applied automatically at checkout. Once you pay, you'll instantly receive a QR code, scan it with your phone, and your eSIM will activate in minutes. With Airalo, it's the same idea. Choose your Mexico plan, complete the purchase, and your eSIM QR code will be ready to scan right from the app. Again, the 10% discount is already baked into the link, so you're good to go. So, which one should you choose for Mexico? If you're looking for the cheapest and most flexible option, Airalo takes the win. But if you want unlimited data or prefer something that works without an app, Maya is a solid pick. Either way, both are excellent and way better than paying roaming charges. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Mexico in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.